What's up, guys? It's your girl J Booge, and I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to go over and show you how to make a top knot bun with natural hair. Before we get started, don't forget to click that red button below and subscribe to your girl. Okay, so I'm starting off with my hair being dry. I just took out a previous hairstyle, so I'm going to go ahead and just take a brush and start brushing my hair through to get all the dry gel and flakes out my hair and make sure there's no knots and lumps in my hair, so when I put the bun in, my hair will go up as smooth as possible without having to fight with it due to my hair being so thick. Now I'm going to grab some Wild Growth. I love this product. I'm going to take about 4 to 5 drops in my hand and just rub it through my hair and work it from the inside out, top to bottom, so my hair will not be dry while it's up in this style for the next couple of days. Now I'm going to grab my water bottle, has some warm water in there, and I'm going to spray just a little bit around my head. Don't want to use a lot because I don't want my hair to wave up due to it being natural. I don't want this bun to be a curly bun. I just want it to be a smooth, sleek bun. And I'm going to grab a brush and just brush it all the way through around my head a couple of times. So yeah, I've been brushing my hair for about 5 to 10 minutes already. And I gotta say, if your arm is not hurting, then you are not brushing. Now I have this small bristle brush. My large one broke, so I'm gonna use this little one and just start brushing my hair some more. The more brushing you do to your hair, the more smoother your hair is gonna be when it's time for it to go in a bun. So my hair is looking smooth. Yeah, I'm checking it out. You checking it out? And now I'm going to just grab my Echo Gel. Yes, prep that up. And I'm going to grab me a large hair tire and just put my hair in a nice little loose bun. This is not the permanent bun right now. Just going to just knot this around twice and just something light just to hold it as I start putting the product on. I'm going to add globs of Echo Gel. If you don't know what that term is, globs is just large chunks. So that's a hair term. But I'm just going to add globs of it all around my hair because my hair is super thick. If you do not have thick hair, you do not have to add globs. You go upon amount of how thin and thick your hair is. My hair is super thick, so I have to use a lot to hold it down. Okay, so now my hair is looking like it has enough. It's all around. Now I'm going to take this little ponytail and grab that small bristle brush and brush my hair probably for the next 5 minutes. Yeah, I'm just going to get it as smooth as possible. So I had to go slow motion for y'all. Do y'all see how slick my hair is? Yes, it is going through smooth. I'm loving it. So now it's time to start just brushing it up to where you want the bun to sit. I want my bun to sit right in the top middle of my head. So I'm just going to start brushing it and grasping it at the same time. So now I found the position that I am satisfied with. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a hair tire and tie my hair down like I'm doing a regular ponytail. So now I'm just checking around to make sure it's smooth, and which it is. So now I'm going to grab 2 small rubber bands and a bobby pin. You might only need 1 on this part, but I grabbed 2. And now I'm just going to grab my brush and brush through the ends of my hair. After I'm done brushing those ends, I'm going to grab my rubber band and start twisting my hair. It does not matter which side you're going to twist to. That's all on your decision. And I'm just going to wrap it and flex the bun up and wrap the ends around. I'm going to show you again a little slower. Yeah, that's all you have to do. And because my hair is long, I'm going to twist my ends before I completely twist the bun all the way around. And then wrap the ends around and pull the bun to face forward. You may have to do it a couple of times and play around with it until you're satisfied at what you want it to be. So yeah, I played around with it for a little bit, and now I'm going to grab that black rubber band and just put it around my hair bun once. Do not put it around more than once. And then I'm going to grab the bobby pin. This is where the bobby pin comes in place. It helps hold the bun down. Oops, I guess a little piece cut out, but we're going to take care of that. But yeah, just grab it, stick the bobby pin down and hold the bun down some. And you can grab another rubber band if you feel like it's not held down the way you want it to be, which I just grabbed another one and just wrapped it around again. It's time to slay them edges and baby hairs. Please grab a toothbrush. Forgive me, for some reason I started using the comb. You do not want to use the comb part because it doesn't help bring the hair down, but you want to use the toothbrush and help bring your hair down so you can just start slaying them. Finally realized I was tripping. So I grabbed that toothbrush and I'm going to go ahead and keep brushing all my hair down, even my sideburns. If you have a little bit, you can bring that down too, so you can work on those as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab some Echo Gel. Yeah, I'm using a lot because my hair, it takes a lot to hold down. And just start putting it all around my edges so I can start slaying it. It depends on how thick and thin your hair is. That's how much amount you should use. So yeah, so I'm just going to take the brush side of this brush comb thing I got at the beauty supply store for like $2. And I'm just going to use my finger method, which is use my finger to follow the hair as I just swoop it around back to the bun. I'm still learning how to just play around with my edges of my baby hair. So yeah, now I'm going to go ahead and use some leftover Echo Gel that's on my fingers and take my water and just squirt a little bit of drops and just twirl my hair around my finger until I'm satisfied with the curl that I like more. Yeah, so you have to play around with your sideburns a little bit and your edges just to get it the way how you want it to be. I did that a couple of times and I started to notice that my edges was lifting up. This is the part where I have to bring in the got to be glue. This stuff is the truth. I just spray a little bit across my edges just to hold it down for these next couple of days. I will not have to retouch it again. And I'm going to just touch it up real quick right now, but I won't have to again after this. Now I'm going to grab my scarf and wrap my scarf around my head. If you are in the rush, go ahead and just grab a blow dryer and blow dry it or above your scarf. But me, I'm not in that much of a rush, so I'm just going to leave it on here for about 15 to 20 minutes before we head out. So yeah, it's about 20 minutes later. I then got dressed and now we're about to head out. So I'm going to go ahead and get my scarf off. I'm going to take it off slowly so I don't mess up my edges. Yeah, so my bun flattened a little bit. Just going to push it up. So if yours does, that's all you have to do. This is the finished look. This hairstyle probably took me about, I want to say, an hour to do, but it will last me for about 4 days. By the end of the 3rd day, I'll start looking rough and I'll start taking it out. This is the finished look, guys. I'm just messing around with it, adjusting it some, and that's all you have to do. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe to your girl. See you guys next time.